Birds of Bangladesh, nature's helpers. Bangladesh, a land woven with rivers and sunlight, is a haven for a remarkable array of bird life. From the smallest wren to the majestic eagles soaring high above, these feathered creatures are more than just beautiful sights. They are vital threads in the intricate tapestry of our ecosystem. Join us now as we journey into the heart of Bangladesh to meet these remarkable creatures and discover the crucial roles they play in the delicate balance of nature. We will learn about their unique behaviors, their importance to the environment, and how we can all do our part to ensure their survival for generations to come. Look, it's a duck. It swims in the pond and says, "Quack, quack, ducks give us eggs and meat." This is a dole bird. It sings sweet songs in the morning, it eats bugs and helps trees grow. Caw-caw, it's a crow. Crows are smart and clean our surroundings. They eat waste and keep nature tidy. Chapter 4. Parrot. Hello, I'm a parrot. I'm green and can talk like you. Parrots spread seeds and grow forests. Chapter 5. Kingfisher. Splash. The kingfisher dives. It catches fish super fast. It balances life in rivers and ponds. Chapter 6. Myna. Say hi to the myna. She's black and white and loves to talk. Mynas eat insects and protect our crops. Chapter 7. Chirp, chirp. It's a sparrow. Small, fast, and always happy. They eat bugs and keep our gardens safe. Chapter 8. This white bird is an egret. It walks slowly and catches fish. Egrets keep ponds clean and balanced. Chapter 9. Flap, flap. The pigeon flies. It nods its head while walking. Pigeons are peaceful and spread seeds. Chapter 10. Falcon. The falcon flies high. It's strong and hunts from the sky. It controls rats and small animals. Chapter 11. Vulture. This is a vulture. It eats dead animals and keeps Earth clean. Vultures stop the spread of diseases. Woodpecker. Tap, tap on the tree. It's a woodpecker looking for bugs. They help trees stay healthy. Chapter 13. Listen, the bulbul sings. It has a red throat and loves to sing. Bulbuls spread pollen and help flowers grow. Chapter 14. Cuckoo. This is a dove. It's gentle and calm all the time. Doves are a symbol of peace. Chapter 15. This bird hunts at night. The night heron walks quietly near water. It helps balance fish life in nature. Watch the cormorant swim. It dives deep and catches fish. It keeps lakes and rivers healthy. Hoot hoot! The owl is awake at night. It has big eyes and flies silently. Owls eat rats and protect crops. I sow my home with leaves. I'm a tiny tailor bird. I eat bugs and protect trees. I build hanging nests. I'm a bioweaver, a true artist. I also eat insects and help nature. Shh, the bittern is hiding. It loves quiet places and slow moves. It eats fish and keeps balance in wetlands. As we've seen, the birds of Bangladesh are not merely adornments to the landscape, but vital components of a complex and interconnected ecosystem. They are the architects of the forests, the guardians of the crops, and the custodians of the waterways. Their songs enrich our lives, their colors brighten our days, and their presence is a testament to the enduring power of nature.